How to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and scroll down to the Friends tab. Here, tap on the My Friends option you see there and further scroll down and tap hold on the friend that you want to remove. Further, you will see the option for Manage Friendship. Tap on that and then tap on the Remove Friend option you see there. Now, in the confirmation that appears, tap on Remove again, and with this, that particular friend will be removed. Now, if you tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, as you can see, there is no such option to delete multiple friends at once on the Snapchat app itself. So, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for accounts.snapchat.com, and now in the interface that you will be led to, make sure that you are signed in. Now tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and you will see the option for support. Tap on that and now go ahead and look for the queries related to your issue and tap on it, and further type in your issue and submit the review. Once you have submitted your report, Snapchat support team will review your report and will act accordingly and will help you fix your issue further. So, this is how you can remove multiple friends at Snapchat at once. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.